Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for the new year, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to access Settings. After that, scroll down and click on Privacy section. Then you need to click on Permission Manager and select feature that you are interested in, for example, camera. Now select one of your apps by clicking on the chosen one, like Chrome, and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with this one, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then locate an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to change all my permissions for clock. So now I need to click on See All Clock Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!